Some things start out big, and some things start out small. But sometimes the smallest thing can make the biggest changes of all.
Hard to know just where it starts, how it grows from just a spark. It's wondrous. I feel it now, it's you and me, a gentle stream of energy. I know it's wondrous. From dream to wish to a very first try, from jumping to falling to learning to fly. Stroke of the pain of each motion that meets the eye. It's the magic that we call life. It's the stardust that lights your eyes. It's the flight of the butterflies. Right where you see it, can you believe it? It's wondrous. It's
If you dream a thing more than once, it's sure to come true.
so
you remember, that old star can only take you part of the way. You gotta help along with some hard work of your own.
There's been trials and tribulations. You know I've had my share. But I and I'm almost there. I remember Daddy told me fairy tales do come true. But you gotta make them happy. And I'm almost there. I'm almost there. People gonna come in everywhere. They
Will today be the day? You're ready to fly? Could take a trip.
Come on, everybody. Here we go.
You got the makings of greatness in you, but you gotta take the helm and chart your own course. Stick to it, no matter the squalls.
We could be immortals, immortals, but not for long, for long. Okay, here's the plan. We're gonna come in low and fast and take them by surprise.
It's make your mama's wild time. Note to self, don't die.
Sometimes the only payoff for having any faith is when it's tested again and again every day.
I will never be good enough.
I came here to make the world a better place, but I think I broke it.
I'm not the right person. You have to choose someone else. Choose someone else. Please.
Sometimes the world seems against you. The journey may leave a scar, but scars can heal and reveal just where you are.
started this thing together, and that's how we're finishing.
I believe in you more than anyone or anything. Nothing could ever be broken that we can't fix together.
Hay mariposas, no se aguanten más. Hay que crecer, aparte y volver. Hacia adelante seguirás, ya son 1000 años. Viendo crisalinas, hay que volar, hay que encontrar su propio futuro. Hay mariposas, no se aguanten más. Hay que crecer, aparte y volver. To fly apart to the night, wonders around you. Just let the world come real. Don't go behind, you fight till you find your way to tomorrow.
Have you ever seen anything so wonderful in your entire life?
It's the stardust that lights your eyes. It's the flight of the butterflies. When you see it, can you believe it? It's the magic that we call life. It's the stardust that lights your eyes. It's the flight of the butterflies. When you see it, can you believe it? It's wondrous.
And so we come to the end of this chapter.
Oh no, please, can't we go back to page 1 and do it all over again?
But pooh, it's just another turn of the page. And I, for one, think what comes next will be wondrous.